Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's algorithm. Today we would be solving this problem valid anagram. So we are given two strings s and t and we have to return true if the string t is an anagram of string s. So basically anagram is if the string is formed by rearranging other string, then the string is called the anagram of other string. Okay. So we'll consider this test case, and now what we can do is we'll keep track of the characters and its count in a map. Then we'll check if this same number of characters occur in the string t. Then if this is the case, we'll return true, else we'll return false. So let's see. First iterate through string s, then we'll just maintain a map. In this map we'll keep the track of the characters. So a is not present, let's add a and its count will be 1. Then again n is not present, add n, count will be 1. For a, as we have a as present, so we'll just increase its count. Then for g, it is not present in our map, so let's add this g, count will be 1. For this r, so as this r is not present, we'll just add this r, keep its count as 1. Now for a, as a is already present, so we'll just increase its counter, so we have 3 a's. So for m, as it is not present, we'll just add this m and maintain its count as 1. Okay, so we have this track of the characters from string s. Now let's iterate through string t. So let's start from here. So as we have n, okay, so we'll decrement its counter, so the counter will be 0 now. Now for a, as we have this a here, so we'll just decrement this counter to 2 now. So for this g, as we have this g, okay, so we'll just decrement this counter, so we have 0 g's remaining now. For this a, we have this n, so we have this a remaining, so we'll just decrease its counter, so a will become 1. For this r, yes, we have r, so we'll make it as 0. So for a, we have one a, so we'll decrease its counter to 0, so we have no a's remaining. For m, if we have m, yes, we have m, so we'll just decrement its counter, and now it's 0. So yeah, complete string is traversed, and we have 0 for each of the characters. That means that each of the characters is utilized in the second string. Hence we'll return true because the second string is formed from the first string. Okay, let's consider another example. Let's say we have something like a, z, b, and then we have z, b, and c as our t. This is the second string, it is t, and here we have s, which is our first string. Now let's keep track of the characters in this first string. Let's maintain a map. Okay, so let's start from here. We'll put a and maintain its count as 1. Then we'll put z, maintain its count as 1. Then for b, we'll put b and maintain its count as 1. Okay, so we have this track of this first string ready. Now let's traverse through the second string. So check if z is present. Yeah, z is present. Okay, just decrement its value 0. So now we have 0 z remaining. Now for b, we'll see if b is present. Yeah, b is present, so just decrements its counter, so we have 0 b's remaining now. For c, we'll check if c is present, so we can see that c is not present in our map, which means this is an extra character which is added, which is not here in the string s, so we can immediately return false because we cannot form this string by just rearranging this letter. So let's code this solution. So I'll maintain a hash map to keep a track. So it will be a track of character and its count, which will be an integer value. Okay, so let's keep track of this first string. So we'll just iterate through this. So this is how we iterate through the characters. Okay, so we'll check if our map contains this character. If this is the case, then we'll just increment its count. Okay, so put this element and just increment its count. So this will be the previous count plus 1 for this character. Okay, else if the character is not present in the map, then just put it, and the value will be 1 because the count of this character is 1 after putting this character. So yeah, so let's do this for the second string. Now we'll check if the character is present in the map. If this is present, then just decrement its counter. Okay, else we'll just return false because the character is not present in our track. Now at the end, we'll check if all the characters are 0, because here if the string second is formed from the string 1, then we have the characters count as 0 at the end because there will be no extra characters. Okay, so just iterate through the map. So we'll iterate through the values and see if this value is not 0. If any of the value is not 0, then just return false. Everything is satisfied, just return true. Let's run this. So yeah, it runs fine. Let's submit it. So yeah, it gets accepted. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos.